So in this video, I am going to show you how to buy USD Coin at ticker symbol USDC in Canada using Wealthsimple Trade. So once Wealthsimple is opened up, I want you to scroll down under Accounts and select your crypto account. Once you're here, I want you to select on Trade, the black button in the bottom left area here. Then at the top in the search bar, I want you to type in ticker symbol USDC. And then the first option here is USDC. Select that. Once you're here, go to the bottom left and press buy. On this screen, you can type the amount of USDC or USD coin that you want to purchase. So if you wanted to do $6 as an example, I would type in 6. It'll then show you how much you'd be purchasing and then press review to go to the next step. Once you're on this screen, you can review the transaction. You can see the type, the fees, etc. And if all looks good and you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press submit to proceed with the transaction. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can buy USD coin in Canada using Wealthsimple Trade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.